Hello, welcome back to my channel if you're a returning viewer, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. It's me, Nessa Eileen, and today I am coming at you with a Discover University Let's Play. Yes, we are in Brindleton Bay. This is where I have moved the Discover University household. I did go ahead and move in Noel and Marique in with Julia and Rohan. If you've been watching this Let's Play, you know that Julia and Rohan are old roommates of Noel that she really just became really good friends with. So today, right now they're sleeping. Where's Rohan? Rohan's awake. Maybe he should take a shower. He should not get coffee, and he should definitely take a shower. Today, what we're going to do is take him out for a little vacation using the Outdoor Retreat expansion pack. Like, what? Who is she? Where did she come from? Where did she go? But that's what we're gonna do today. I haven't played that. It's not an expansion pack. I'm sorry, it's a game pack. Did I say that? Did I say expansion? I meant game. It's a game pack. I haven't played that game pack in a really long time, so I forgot what exactly we need to bring. But I know there's like a little buy kiosk. There's a little shopping kiosk. Okay, so I'm gonna wait until his kind of energy goes up a little bit. Why are you... Oh, that's why he keeps on waking up, because he has the music turned on. Oh, that's so annoying. Noel is up. She is taking a shower. Yeah, so do you guys like their house? I keep on forgetting. No, I did put a roof on it. Okay, so I don't know why when I was in world view that it didn't show the roof, but okay. I was gonna put a roof on it right now, but I was like, no, well, I already have a roof. Okay. Maybe that'll be my next Let's Play. We'll do Get Famous and we'll really focus on Marique. Who knows? Or I might just play with a whole new household. Maybe I might go back to the island living household and use them for a different Let's Play. I don't know, I'm missing them. I'm missing Tinsel. I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour. A little bicycle, I believe that's Noel's bike. Got some veggies and fruits being grown right there. And then this is Marique's room that we're passing. That's Julia's room. And that's Rohan's bed, and you can see him sleeping. Maybe I should give him lower curtains so that people aren't peeking into him while he's sleeping. Not into him, into his room. Gross. Okay, here's the front door. And then we got some graduation portraits of Noel and Julia because they both did graduate from Rochester University. Here's Rohan's presentation that he's finished, but he still has to present, but he can't present because the term hasn't started yet. An easel right here at the window so that you can pay for reference and you can just paint whatever is outside the window. Woo-hoo. This is Noel's room. She loves sports, and if you do remember, she was part of the soccer team in Rochester. Here's the bathroom. Marique's and Noel's bathroom. This is Marique's house. He is the oldest, so technically, no, they all own it. They all share it. They all share rent. This wall is a little barren, but yeah, this is Marik's room. Alright, we're gonna go to Rohan's room. Here's bathroom number 2. Julia's room. She's very into science, so I gave her some science posters. But yeah, that's the house. Where did my Sims go? When is Marik gonna get home? When does he get home? It says 9 a.m. Oh, I hope he doesn't get home late because I don't want to get to the campsite late.
Suspicious minds. We're suspicious minds.
Are you gonna make some food? No, okay, is this like a new glitch or something? Like, they much rather get themselves a quick meal instead of cook themselves some food, which maybe is a good thing so that your sim doesn't accidentally burn down the house.
I bit my cheek.
Is it a glitch? Like, they just rather eat quick meals?
I've even had it where my Sims, they will make themselves a meal. They will cook themselves like breakfast or lunch or dinner or whatever, and then they cook it for themselves, and then they put it aside, and then they go back to the refrigerator, and then they get themselves like crackers or applesauce or, you know, a quick meal.
Did somebody put away the food? Thanks! One of you guys is so responsible. It was probably Julia. Sorry, I didn't know you were on the toilet. Ooh, let's practice our gourmet cooking right now. Trout Meunier, Monte Cristo sandwich. What's in this? What are the ingredients? Is this vegetarian safe? I don't think it is. Meatless. Okay, there we go. Vegetarian safe.
My game's lagging.
Let's do money. They're not that rich. Like, we have 2 college graduates, an aspiring actor, and an unemployed college student? Yeah, no, they don't have that money. That's not realistic. 30,000 maybe? I still feel like that's a lot. Let's go 20. Okay. Rip you. Pet him. Talk to him. Maybe you can pet care. You can go on a short walk with him. I think he needs to use the bathroom, so. Alright. Logic table. Logic table. Chess table.
Because it's a skill building item. Even though it is a game, it is also a skill building.
Okay, we'll put it right there. And let's get some chairs. But like some cheaper chairs. Like these. Do we have a... If we do have a black and white one. I don't know if I like those. I kind of don't, but it's alright. They're okay. They're alright. I don't think there's any better options, so it's okay. Ooh, I like this little setup. It's cute. Okay. What's Noel doing? What was I gonna have her do? Oh, I already had her make the Monte Cristo, the vegetarian. Let's cook another gourmet meal. I want to get your faux lobster tortellini. Ooh, that sounds delicious. Okay, so is anybody else like not like ravioli, but they do like tortellinis? Like they hit different. They just hit different. That's all I can say. Did he do good? Let's see. He did some great work. Okay, that's it. It just says that he did some great work. Okay, so she can finish doing that. Can we bag this up or something? I want to bring this with us so that we have food. I'm just gonna put it in someone's inventory. What the heck is this, man? No! What are these? Cheese crackers? No! Typical! What am I doing? Oh, okay. So I'll wait for Julia to get back and then we'll go. You okay, boy? He wants a vacation. Watch TV. Oh, you need to take a shower too. of 12. Just kidding. He's a sophomore. You're just starting your homework. So all your homework's done, so you should be fine. To be honest, you should be fine. If we go, like, ASAP. I want you to watch the TV. Why are you not watching the TV? He's talking to his sister. Deep connection from socialization. Decorated from good environment. Stressed from work. I'm sure you are. I had you work very hard today. There we go. Did you use the bathroom, Speckles? Julia, come home. Like, what are you waiting for? Come on. Come home. Who are you? Excuse me, sir. Rude introduction. Why are you rummaging through my trash? Get off my lot. You trespassing. No. Okay, no. Mean. I'm going to yell at you. Yell at you. And then I'm not gonna apologize. You're on my property rummaging through my trash. Excuse me. Go away. Thank you very much. And then you can... Oh, scavenge for parts. You're not gonna scavenge. I mean... You could. But we're not going to. Who's calling us? Okay, well, whatever. Vanessa Jong. Vanessa would like to come over to hang out. Not right now. We're gonna go camping. Marik, please. Social decency. Who is this? Payment due on student loan. What? Noel has failed to make an on-time payment toward her student loan. Noel has remaining balance of 127. Bank has extended the payment window. It stresses that. Well, I didn't know that she was supposed to make a payment. How are you supposed to make a payment? Minimum. Let's do 127. Let's do the whole shebang. Well, oops. 127. We're not gonna get a repo man, are we? How do I pay that? Web? Is it under university? Like, go on vacation with. Can Rohan not come because he's got school? No, I really do feel bad for Rohan. I really wanted to give him like a little vacation. Dude, no, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Why is he in my house? Why is he in my house? I can't leave my house with this crazy loon in it. Okay, so do we want to go here? 11, 11, 11. Let's go. Can't go vacation there. Okay. I feel like if it's your first time camping, if your first time to Grand Falls, you always just gotta slum it out. You always just gotta do it the hard way the first time. But you really don't have to. Okay, so maybe we can, since Rohan's not coming, we can be here 2 days.
Can't always get what you want.
What are you mad about? Can you? Oh, because he's got a little bit of anger. Some anger issues. You can practice playing this. Okay, so do you need to call out to work or something? No, you just don't need to book a gig. Uncredited extra. Can we have a cheerful introduction with him? Hello. Okay, or not. Bye. You should probably have bug spray too. I feel like they're getting eaten by mosquitoes over there. That's all 2,000 bucks? Nah, man. Put that here. Put this here. Can we spray ourselves? Fill the bowl. Where's Speckles? Oh, he's a baby. Look at him. He's an old dog. I'll put it over here, actually. There we go. use the toilet. He doesn't need to take a shower, so he's good. But they are gonna get hungry pretty soon here. Oh, maximum mischief skill. What? Work on your... Go jogging. You can work on your fitness. Tariq. Dude, stop. Can you fight this bear? Flirty introduction to the bear. LOL. You should fall in love with the bear. Well, okay, never mind. I take that back. That's cursed. Can I tell you to do your homework? I want him to join the vacation, but he has school tomorrow. Dude, what are you doing? Come over here. Go to sleep. If you're tired, go to sleep here. He is tired, but he's also hungry. Okay, she's gonna offer her friendship. What's going on? Pulled muscle. Oh. Well. Well. Take a shower. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to comment and subscribe, and I will speak to you guys in the next video. We'll try and do more fun activities here, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!